Hello guys, it's Dmitry here. Today I would like to talk about another topic in JavaScript. It's called template literals, and also because this topic is related to string or type of data which is string. So first I will start from recap, right? I'm going to discuss about strings once again. So it's better sometimes to repeat stuff, right? In order to, stay not just focused, right? But like sometimes, we think that the topic is easy, but reality is it's many details to that, right? Okay, let's jump into that. Let's jump into string first. I would like to define variable, string variable of the type of string. So, which is essentially my name, right? And this is the text, right? Piece of text, and it's placed in quotations. Remember, guys, essentially string is a piece of text, and in JavaScript, it's always should be placed in quotation marks. That's how it is. So, and also, okay, let's move on. I would like to show you another example where writing string can be a bit tricky, right? For example, I would like to say so you can see, right? I decided to define these quotation marks inside of the actual string, right? And I believe I showed you guys before in one of the tutorials this kind of example, but I would like to stress out that it's important to remember about that, So, yeah. Another thing is, remember, in order to avoid this kind of issues, because again, here the string, we started string with this quotation mark, then computer was really confused here. Like computer just realized, and JavaScript, what's going on here, I cannot understand what like this person wants from me, right? So, and in order to avoid that, you have to use so-called escape characters. The idea of this escape character, it says like to a computer, it tells computer, okay, the first thing that stands after this character, just ignore it and treat it as a piece of text. And the same here. So the first character. So essentially now these characters, or now these quotation marks, they just going to be a piece of the actual string, the whole string. So if you run it again, okay, understandable. If you run it again, you can see, I'm bored today. Boring. Cool, guys. Now I would like to talk about an example of the string with concatenation. Let's just try to concatenate this string and the second one, right? Let's define. Okay, let's just place it here. I would like to say just like that, right? So let's run it once again. So you can see, right, it works. It's concatenated and now it's whole string. But the problem is here, right? We don't have space. So in order to make the space, we can do like that. So you can see, right? Or otherwise, another way, we can just specify extra string here. It's going to be a space, right? Space, like string, that inside of the string is going to be just space. Cool. So yeah, you can see it works. Cool stuff, guys. So another thing is, now I would like to start talking about the actual template literal, which is a really important topic, right? The subtopic itself of this big topic of strings. Okay, I would like to show you what I mean by template literals. For instance, if I would like to define a new string, const, okay, literally just we'll call it new string, and I would like to say, also guys, before that I would like to do another thing. I'd like to define a number, and then I would like to say I'm actually not like that, but like that, right? Okay, I will show you first different. Alright guys, now all this part, all this thing inside of quotation marks is a string, right, as we already discussed. And if you run, it runs perfectly, right? And so then if you specify like new string, blah blah blah, so you can see perfect, right? But what if you would like to use this number or this variable here, right? Because we already have it, right? Why not? So you definitely can do that. I will show you how. But it's not going to work like that, right? So you have to do this kind of thing. You have to use, instead of quotation marks, you have to use this kind of marks. I don't remember how we call them, but you got the idea. So, and the actual variable you have to define like that, right? You have to place it in the curly brackets and with a dollar sign, sorry. So, and now actually it's going to work too, and it's working, right? Which is awesome. And in many cases in real life, right, software developers have to do it on a daily basis, you know. We have to do that. Like if you have like a variable which is integer, right, or number, and then you have a variable which is just a string. So, and you have like to come up with a specific, I don't know, string, right, like that should contain this information, this piece of information, or like the information of a number, right, about number. So template literals, this structure allows software developers to do it in JavaScript. Thank you very much, guys. I think, yeah, basically, you know, I already showed you what I wanted to show you in this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed, guys. Please subscribe, please like it. If you not subscribed yet, I will continue to, you know, create new videos, and definitely, you know, as always, I'm going to stay passionate because software development, computer programming, and JavaScript. I like all these topics, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed like this particular tutorial, guys. And I see you next time. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.